Hi, this is Ian Coleman from PIA First. Going to look at Euro Sterling medium-term outlook. The chart we've got in front of us is the monthly chart. Obviously, some key levels on this time frame. We've got the 61.8% pullback level at 72.56. We've broken lower. Okay, we have seen most of this month's initial losses being recaptured. However, we've still got another 5 trading days before this month is closed. We're also below this, what I'd call an internal channel, which is this second blue line here. And I wouldn't expect, or we're not expecting Euro Sterling to break up above that level. I'm just going to use our crosshairs. And that's around about 73.50. If we can manage to close April above that level, then of course we would have a different formation to the downside. We'd have a morning doji star, and that would flip the bias back to the upside. But at the moment it's looking, and the shorter time frames are still highlighting lower levels for this cross currency, and we still think that this level, this ABCD formation at 67.62 is quite relevant. Breaking down into shorter time frames, okay, and we're still looking for downside pressure. Okay, that even though we've broken the sequence of negative weekly performances last week, okay, there's no reversal pattern in here, and we're still expecting a push towards this 69.13 Fibonacci extension. And in fact, shorter time frames, we just use our fib tool again. Even though we got up to this 161.8% level, Elliott wave enthusiasts will write off this bullish wave pattern now, because this move to the downside, which was on the 19th, okay, that broke the sequence, because obviously if this was a fourth wave correction, it's supposed to stay above the first wave. So what I think we've got here is, I think we've got an expanding wedge formation which has a bias to break to the downside. So we just put, okay, support level coming in around about 71.90. So that's our focus for this week. We're expecting rallies to be limited. This is obviously a great area to get short if we can, around about 72.50. You can see it's been standing well as resistance, and if we move over to the latter end of last month, it was obviously used as support. So we'd like to get short around about 72.50. If not, then we're going to be looking obviously for a break around 71.90. The target levels, as with all wedge formations, is initially the base of the wedge, which comes in around about 70 the figure. Okay, thanks very much for listening, and I'll speak to you again soon.